A powerful gas pressure washer from a name you trust. The WPX2700 from Westinghouse produces a maximum of 2,700 pounds of pressure and pumps up to 2.3 gallons of water per minute. Clean, renew, and rejuvenate surfaces with the WPX2700. Use the built-in half-gallon soap tank with the soap applicator nozzle for wide area coverage to lift and release set-in stains on siding, windows, and cars. The 40-degree fan pattern nozzle is for powerful cleaning on boats and RVs or as a final rinse. The 25-degree nozzle is for deep cleaning fences, brick, and concrete. Finally, blast with precision using the high-pressure 0-degree nozzle for cleaning sidewalk cracks and driveways. The WPX2700 is the ideal pressure washer for all your home needs. A stainless steel wand with brass quick connect fittings will easily change between nozzles. 25 feet of worry-free abrasion-resistant hose connects to a self-priming 3-piston AXIAL cam pump. 2,700 pounds of high-power cleaning for your toughest jobs. The WPX2700. Westinghouse. Power when you need it, power where you need it.